USB-C adapter. Parkstar Premium USB-C Hub 8-in-1 HDMI 4K and USB 3.0 plus USB Type-C 3.0 high-speed data syncing and charging multiports for MacBook Pro, Google Chromebook and more Type-C devices. Perfect compatibility. We do realize what kind of products his customers need and can guarantee 100% suitable for all Type-C port devices, and this product has passed through extremely strict engineering test, so you can improve efficiency of your devices by this USB-C multiport hub. Also, it is easy to operate, plug and play, and no extra driver needed. Instant expansion HDMI, HDMI output port mirror, Apple MacBook or Google Chromebook Pixel or Dell XPS 13 display to HDMI-enabled TV or display in up to 1080p at 60 Hz or UHD 2160p. 3840 x 2160 at 30 Hz. High-speed data syncing. The speed of USB 3.0 standard output port can be up to 480 Mbps/s data transmission. Connecting devices, i.e. flash driver /camera /USB cable, for syncing and charging mobile device. Save your valuable time. Safe charging. USB-C charging port supports DP 2.0, 5-20V/2-30, input charging for computers and devices with USB-C charging port, such as Apple MacBook and Google Chromebook Pixel. The charging port doesn't support any data transfer, AV out, USB output for charging and extending adapter. What you get: and 1-year warranty, 1x USB-C to HDMI adapter 4K and USB 3.0 plus USB Type-C multiport. We reliably stand behind our products, offering 1-year warranty and 90-day refund policy in case you are not absolutely thrilled with them.